All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the crop tool. So I have this video clip in my timeline in Adobe Premiere. And, let's say in this example that I wanted to uh, use space on the left and the right. It was just for some reason advantageous for me to have black space on either side because I'm going to put something in there, maybe text, but I don't want to lose the height. You could play around with scaling, but to do this the right way, using the crop tool would come in handy in this instance. So I'm going to go, by the way, I am in the editing workspace. And so I'm going to go down here and click on effects. I already typed in crop here. That brings up the crop tool, which I'm going to just drop on my clip. And now you have that over here, and you have left, right, top, bottom. And so I'm interested in the left and the right. So let's say I want to do just like 15% of each. Okay, and now I have this video cropped. My height is still good. Yeah, that works. And so that's a quick example of how you can use the crop tool. There could be all kinds of reasons. In a lot of instances, using the scale might take care of what you want to do, but there could be something in your video that you don't want to have shown, but you like the level of zoom that you're at, so you don't want to scale to get rid of it. So the crop tool comes in handy. Anyway, I hope you found this helpful. Let me know if you have any follow-up questions. Thanks.